Greetings to all viewers outside there. We are here to discuss about the most important aspect of a living being, or structures that exist in both living and non-living. And we discovered that the structures that exist in either can say it is a liquid form, a solid form, or gaseous form, and all these structures are made up of the specific components that we call maybe particles or smaller aspects or patterns of structures which exist within the bigger structures. For example, if it's a living human being, we can talk about the organs, and from organ system, the organ, then we have the tissues that are made by the cells, and the cells come from the organelles, and organelles are made up of specific molecular structures, and those molecular structures, we are saying that they are made up of different molecules, which are either in a macro or micromolecules in the structure, and which are all made up of atoms, which are arranged in different formats to give those structures of the molecules. So the atoms themselves, they also have the electrons that are surrounding the neutrons and the protons, which are within the nucleus. So inside the nucleus, we have the abundant energy form, which is like a vast space, which is extremely tiny that we may not recognize it, but in terms of the universe, we can say that we are able to analyze everything and say that at the end of the day, if all these are made up of tiny atoms, let's come together. In summary, if we are made of very tiny atoms, which atoms are made up of the charges, which are electrons or neutrons, and these charges are either positive or negative. This therefore means a human being by nature, or a living structure or non-living structure by nature, is made up of energies, which energies can be negative or positive. And therefore, in realizing that we are made up of energies, we can now say that human beings, they existed before, because an energy can only be transformed from one form to another, and it can never be destroyed. That's a principle according to the energy. So we are now saying that we existed before, and we are going to continue to exist because it is passed from one form to another form. So therefore, respect the Creator, respect Almighty God, respect Allah, respect your Creator, the one you believe in. So we thank you for listening, for everything. God bless you. Next movie up next.